Hi guys, this is George. In today's video we are going to check out the Glaco Ultra Anti-rain from Soft99, which I received from automoshowshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. This one is a kit, so we will open just to see what is inside, and then I'm going to use it. First, I'm going to give a pre-wash, a contact wash to the to the car, and then I'm going to clean the windscreen or windshield with a normal glass cleaner, and then I'm going to start to use this product. Let's roll.
You've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the Soft99 Anti-rain kit, which included one Ultra Glaco, that's the coating for the windscreen. To do a deep cleaning, it also has the glass compound. Let's call it like a glass polish, but it's not entirely, but something along the line. And also to extend the lifespan of your coating, there is a glass cleaner slash water repellent. So with this one you can make it lasting a bit longer. I tested all these products previously, so you can find the videos of all of these products individually by their name. But this one is a kit, so you can get all in one. Don't need to keep choosing or selecting one by one these items. You can buy it as a set. All in all, I can hands-on heart recommend. Usually Soft99 things are good, especially these glass compounds and such, or glass coatings or their waxes. Not all the Soft99 products, but most of those ones are good. But that's another topic. Anywho, as I said, I can hands-on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.